How to make money on Freelancer as a logo animation expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor or a business owner looking for a logo animation expert to hire, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to my skill. Then I'm going to search for logo animation experts. So here we have the 2D animators, 3D animators. Let's check the logo designers, and here also we have the graphic designers. Let's go with the 3D animators, and here let's go with 3D animators. And I'm just showing you this in order to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So here, as you can see, hire expert 3D animators for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So here let's check their profiles. As you can see, you have 424 results, and as you can see from their profiles, you can see how much they're getting paid per hour, how many ratings they've got, how many reviews, their headline, their description as well. So let's check this man's profile. Give it a few seconds to load, and here his name is King June or something like that, and he's a 3D realistic visualization agency. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can create a profile like this one, how to enter a description for your profile, how to enter the hourly rate that you choose or that you prefer, how to verify these things as well, because clients lean more to work with the freelancers who have these 6 elements verified, because that shows that you are a trustworthy freelancer. After that, I'm going to show you how you can upload your portfolio as well, because the portfolio is very important. You cannot work with someone without even knowing the kind of job that he is doing. And when it comes to reviews, you cannot control them. You're not the one in controlling of those reviews, because the reviews are controlled by the clients. So the only thing you can do to improve them is to deliver a great and a decent job, and eventually the client will leave a great review for you as well. So let's go back to the main page. Let's close this one and let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, click on Freelancer. Give it a few seconds to load. And here, click on Earn Money Freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on Login. And then give it a few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. So here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So go to your top right. In this button here, you can control everything about your account and your finances. So when it comes to your account, you can view your profile, you can see your membership, check your account analytics, your video insights, and your settings. And when it comes to finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, see your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. So let's go up to view our profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments in the profile. So here, as you can see, the profile looks pretty empty, 0 reviews, zero amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed. So we have pretty much an empty profile. So let's start editing it. So here, let's go to edit profile. And here, the first thing you need to do is to verify your email. After that, make sure to add a profile picture, because there is no one, literally no one, no client would like to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture, because you look suspicious. After that, add a cover photo as well. It's better to have one. Then you proceed to the verifications. As I mentioned before, make sure to have all of these verifications in check, because those will make you more hireable in the client's eyes. So make sure to be a member of the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your ID as well via a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method, your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before, and connect your Facebook account if you have one. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to drop in the hourly rate that you'd like to work on. Make sure it's a good hourly rate for you and for your clients as well. Then you proceed to enter in a professional headline. Then enter a summary where you're going to describe yourself, describe your skill, describe your years of experience, the previous jobs that you've had, and those sort of things. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's enter the skills that you can perform. You can enter up to 20 skills. So make sure to choose all of the skills that you're good at. Let's remove expert. We have nothing in the logo animation. Let's go here with animation. We have 2D animation explainer video. We have animation, 3D animation, 2D animation, logo animation. And I think that's all what we can go with. Then scroll down to save those changes. And then you can add your portfolio in here. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet. So make sure to add your portfolio items. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs from the people who are searching for freelancers to hire. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.